Some say it's 30 G's for everyone, my complex. I'm in, walk around the block with daily objects on my list. Niggas be like me, it's just a target, we flawless. My little son just fuck up in them projects, yeah, I know. Niggas in my hood like Jeffrey Dahmer.
You did. Just pulled up on my nigga, man. So, yeah. Hold on. We going somewhere now. Get in. Get in. Man, what the? Yeah! Look at that retweet, cuz. Yeah, talk your shit, man. God. Damn, how do I fuck my shit up? Hey, man, fuck you talking about, man? We gonna be vlogging the motherfucking concert, man. You already know.
It's an after party too. You don't know about that.
Oh,
The cute dogs.
Q dogs.
We're gonna see the,
All right.
see the fine black women that
You know
I
what I'm
respect,
saying?
and then we're gonna go to the bars and we're gonna see the Caucasian women. Cause we like those too.
Cool.
Just like those. So that's what we finna do. But shit, yeah, man. Hey, we about to go get these tickets, bro. We about.
Man, they talking about
What we about
sold
to do,
out,
Key,
man.
What we about to do tonight, bro?
Man, you know we about to get lit, man. You know what we do every time we together,
Hey, did you
man.
rent your dog, bro? Yeah, so. We just bought our shit this morning.
For real?
Yeah, the only thing is, bro, I'm hoping that it turns into a mosh pit like G Herbo did.
Yeah. Where'd y'all buy
our
yours?
seats are shitty as fuck.
Yeah, bro. I mean, we just gonna have to go in that bitch and run shit. I ain't gonna lie. We're going straight to the front,
Yeah, that's smooth. Shit. That's what I'm saying. It's probably gonna break down. I don't know what time. Do you wanna go early or you wanna go a little bit later?
Kinda wanna go early because we ain't gonna be able to bully hella niggas.
I mean, I've got my...
Move, bitch! Get out of my fucking way! It's Black History Month!
So my nigga Tori, you talk to him?
Bro, Tori did not want to come, bro. He was
Really?
bullshitting, yes.
Wow. He just didn't want to see Glock, or he just didn't really want to.
I don't know what he was on, bro. He was just saying basically like he ain't know the lyrics and shit. Yeah, shiny puffy. Got a couple months ago, bro. You feel me? No, I got this the last year, I think. You know, I don't be wearing my shit.
What's good? Yo. He's not? What happened? The snow? A new date?
No. What's good, bro?
How y'all feel about that?
I'm trying to work.
Oh, my nigga Keith just pulled up too.
Bro, I'm about to get some hoes out here. I ain't gonna lie, so fuck it.
Bruh.
Did Lonnie just tell you that?
That's crazy. Shit, y'all heard it here first, man. There ain't no hoes.
You gonna have to edit that shit. That edit about to be funny as fuck. You get in the car, hey, Key Glock not coming, bro.
Oh, God.
You said what, bro? You about to send it?
That
Alright, bro,
hurts.
that shit
definitely hurts.
Damn.
That hurts.
Key Glock not coming?
That hurts.
You think the Q's still gonna throw that party?
Yeah, they have to, nigga. That's the only thing that's gonna happen.
He not coming? My niggas about to
Bro, let me see the picture, bro.
Salty, I gotta send this shit to these niggas. This text is about to hurt.
Bro, I gotta call my nigga Lee, man. He up here too.
Yeah, what that is.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm fucking pissed off. No Key Glock.
Damn!
Man, what the fuck, man? No Key Glock. But it's cool, man. We still about to have a lit night. You know what I'm saying? Key to the streets, nigga. We hopping in the streets. Fuck is you talking about, nigga? We in that bitch, nigga. Fuck you, right, nigga. Fuck you.
What you got to say, my nigga?
I thought it was Key
What's going
Glock.
on?
I thought it was Key Glock. I was about to say.
What you got to say?
We can't listen to that. I thought it was Key Glock.
Oh, yeah, because that nigga ain't show up?
Yeah, fuck that nigga.
Hey, man. Rest in peace,
bullshit.
Dolph.
Yeah,
But
rest
Key
in
Glock
peace,
pulled
dog.
some bullshit today. I ain't gonna lie. Like, that shit was wild.
For sure. You can't be doing that, man.
What we got, bro?
Man, I DM'd you,
Bust
Key.
the right out of here. Bust the right. And then bust
I
another right.
DM'd
Like,
you, Key.
yeah, bro. Niggas DM'd you. What's going down?
Nigga, I'm Key Glock too, nigga.
Don't tell nobody, twin. Don't tell nobody.
Wait. I'ma cut you.
But yeah, man, we on the way to Kroger right now. What we sipping on, bro? You might have to bleep this out, bro. I don't want to be a bad influence to anybody out here. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, no, definitely, man. You feel me? I'm of age, my boy, so I can do whatever the fuck I want.
He is 21.
My nigga birthday, nigga, you feel me? He 21 too, you feel me? So you feel me? We can do what we want. Y'all niggas cannot do the same thing.
I ain't even bring the shades, my nigga.
I was about to bring the shades, bro, because I know how I get for your birthday.
Man, yeah, bro, we about to turn up. I ain't gonna beat you, but shit, y'all, we on the way to Kroger right now. We finna get litty. They canceled the show, but they can't cancel the night, my nigga.
You know what I'm saying? I don't know if that shit was busting, bro.
At least it's inside, bro.
I'm not trying to wait in no line, bro. We gotta skip this bitch. Punch him in the face.
I'm about to get rocked probably if I get back in there.
You about to get your ass beat?
Probably.
Oh, shit. He said you about to get his ass beat.
What you mean we're about to get your ass beat?
Hey, just watch me when I go in and we'll just see what happens.
Oh, shit.
The one kid literally grabbed me out of nowhere and just fucking punched me in the face. I swear to God.
So you're pledging?
No, I'm not even pledging. I was just hanging out with my friends.
Oh, you gotta beat his ass.
Some kid hit me and I fucking hit him back and he got mad. And now his whole friends
pick him
after
up,
me.
slam his bitch ass.
That's kept him bitch.
Keep him by the leg.
Yo, what? I'll fuck him up. I'm not scared of him at all.
Say less. He's on campus?
Yeah, if I get cheap shot in there, I ain't taking that shit.
They got you fucked up. They got him fucked up.
5 minutes later.
Hey, get on his ass, bro. Get his ass.
I can't do shit, bro. Your ass, bro. Keep coming at me, bro. Keep coming at me.
He called you shot mode.
Tony Hawk!
Go ahead, pick one up. Pick one up.
Hey, Black History Month. Hey, we alright. We're good.
Black History Month. Get his ass.
Get on his ass.
That nigga dropping real cheese.
I ain't trying to get this shit, man.
He look like Nathan.
That nigga laughed way too hard. That nigga was not saying that's funny as fuck.
Real fuck out of here. That shit.
What did he say?
Oh, that boy Cooper Cup. Tony Hawk. Hey, Tony Hawk. That's
I'm Tony Hawk and Cooper Cup, I guess.
Tony Hawk, that's the one. They still on his ass. It's 5v1, bro.
Dude, I can't do shit, man.
Just fun. The Caucasus is going on. Hell no. This shit is wicked. Look at her. Wildin'. She's wildin'. She's raging. Look at her.
They gonna go down here?
Hey, we biting. Yeah.
Niggas trying to go to jail.
I forgot they deep on that shit.
Nigga, if we sparked in here, the police would definitely be outside of our door.
I don't have a door, man.
My nigga angry.
Tell these niggas
What you came at?
You know what I'm saying? I can't beat her today.
They not beaters.
Because nigga, I thought it was the concert. You know what I'm saying? What, she trying to bust down or what?
It's late night.
You on the phone?
Hey,
Hey.
nigga, we in the fucking smoke shop right now.
Nigga, I'm
Key to
not
the
playing,
streets,
bro.
key to
I'm not playing, man. They say we can roll up in this bitch. I don't care. You feel me? We can do whatever we want. At the end of the day, cause nigga, we run after
Hey.
nigga. All eyes on this when we walk
It
in
is
the
Black
motherfucking
History
building.
Month. It is Black History Month, so
Yeah.
I think that's why they letting us do this right now. But we rolling up the Zall, man. We wrapping up the night right now. I know y'all seen the video where bro was getting roasted and shit.
I'm out, bro. He started getting shredded, nigga.
He started laughing too hard at the roast. Bro, we was outside, they was shredding his wife, but they called him Cooper Cup and who?
They called him Tony Hawk.
Cooper Cup. If they say Cooper Hup looking ass, Tony Hawk looking ass,
They just started shredding.
my nigga Ali started laughing too hard, they got to getting on his ass. But shit, man, that was the craziest shit of the night. I ain't gonna lie. But now we just kicking back, chilling. You feel me? We rolling up. You feel me? It was a successful 21 2v1.
Fucking host night, right? You feel me? You know how we get down.
All right, bro. If you got a preset, bro, we ain't gotta go to this shit.
Yeah.